In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade an image in Canva. Fading an image is a simple but powerful way to make your designs look more professional. It's especially useful if you're creating things like social media posts, presentations, or thumbnails where you want text or other elements to stand out on top of a photo. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to soften an image, control its transparency, and get the look you're going for in just a few clicks. First, open your design in the Canva editor. This can be any type of design, a presentation slide, an Instagram post, a poster, or anything else you're working on. Once the editor loads, look for the image that you want to fade. If it's not in your design yet, you can add one by using the Uploads tab, or choosing a photo from Canva's library, then dragging it onto your canvas. Now, click directly on the image you want to adjust. As soon as you select it, you'll see a toolbar appear along the top of the screen. This toolbar is where Canva keeps most of the quick editing options for whatever you've selected. On that top toolbar, look for the transparency icon. It usually looks like a small checkerboard pattern, which is a common symbol for transparency in design tools. Go ahead and click on that checkerboard icon. When you do, a small drop-down will appear, showing you a slider control. This slider is what you'll use to fade your image. If you drag the slider to the left, you'll decrease the opacity, which means your image becomes more transparent and looks more faded. Dragging it all the way to the left will make the image almost disappear. If you drag the slider to the right, you'll increase the opacity again, making the image more solid and less faded. Take a moment to slowly move the slider back and forth and watch how your image changes. Try to find a balance where the image is still visible, but soft enough that any text or graphics on top are easy to read. This is especially important for backgrounds, headers, or quote graphics. Once you're happy with how it looks, simply click anywhere outside the slider to close the transparency control. Your image is now faded, and you can continue editing your design as normal, adjusting other elements around it to create a clean and cohesive layout.